Hello? We have some very wonderful, beautiful, and very passionate performances and singers, and I'm going to mess it up here, so I'm sorry. But the song, I was going to have a friend come up and give her testimony what she recently just went through. She's not here, but she told me to give a little story. She just recently got out of a very abusive marriage, and she came back to live with her parents, and she's letting go and she's letting God. And so I praise her for that, and I thank you guys for taking your time to give performances. It means a lot. It's very passionate to you guys, and it encourages me. And this song is to say that something I remember that 2 Chainz from Tulsa always says is you can turn your sorrows and sadness all back into praise for God. So the song I made up called Just Like Rain. Some of you have heard it and some of you haven't. So, and I haven't performed in a year. So I suck, I'm sorry. Is anybody a pig?
Oh, she makes a pig?
I like just kidding. Whatever you guys are going through, God's going to help you through it. Whatever He takes you through, what to do too. Sorry. Okay. Oh, no, it's fine. You can put this down. I don't want to say it. I don't want to hear you. And please don't zoom up on my face. I don't play guitar. I suck. Here we go. My tears fall just like rain. Letting it go is the hardest thing. I hate this world. I'm going insane. In this life, what more is there to gain? There's a thunderstorm in my heart. It wants to fail. It just won't go. It doesn't ask for much, just your touch. Because you're the one that I belong for. You're the kind of love that keeps happening. Your beauty has struck me without me knowing. Please be all just as believers, and let your love reign, oh Jesus. My soul is stirring up strong when that comes in the sadness home, because it has been forgotten and torn. The rain cannot take it begins to mourn. But you're the kind of love that keeps happening. Your beauty has struck me without me knowing. May God get all the glory.